Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I will show you how you can easily back up WhatsApp chats on your Samsung S25 Plus. So first, what you guys need to do is open up WhatsApp, and here now click three dots and click settings. Here go to chats and scroll down until you see chat backup. Now click it, and here you can back up it locally. Now wait, and here you can also select the Google account to back up the chats. Here you can enable automatic backups. You can also include videos or backup using the cellular data. Now here you can enable end-to-end encrypted backups by creating the password or using the encryption key. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.